Why do I have stretch marks on my neck? It's an interesting question. Do stretch marks really occur in the neck? Well, what I think of as a stretch mark is a striation in the skin that we often get in our hips or women get after pregnancy. And the skin has this inelastic quality. Frankly, I never see that on the neck at all. I never see that kind of quality that people get on their hips or their abdomen on the neck. But I do see crepey skin on the neck. So I would call it something different, not a stretch mark, but crepey skin. Do stretch marks go away? Some people have the tendency to have crepey skin on their eyelids and their neck and other areas, and some people don't. And some of that has to do with the subcutaneous and dermal volume and how much it supports the skin. So if you think about it, as we age, we tend to get crepier skin as a general rule. And thin people, or people certainly that have thin faces, have more crepiness in their skin or their eyelid. That skin that we can pinch and it stays out there after we pinch it and it doesn't go back. It doesn't have good tone to it. And the neck can have that too. So the thinner that somebody is, and if you think about it, in the face and in the neck, if somebody has a full neck, maybe people that are overweight often, but if they have a full neck, it will distend out what could look like, you might call stretch marks. They're not really stretch marks, but it's that crepiness. People that are overweight generally don't have crepiness. How do you fix stretch marks on your neck? Now, what we do with a facelift or a mini facelift or whatever we're doing is we lift the skin and we create some stretch on the tissue. We lift up the deep tissues and then we cut off the excess skin. We sort of stretch the residual skin. The cover, we put something into the supportive level and then we cut off the excess cover level in a facelift, and that's what we get. How long does a mini facelift last? Now, how long that lasts in somebody is different for everybody. Some people age quickly and facelifts don't last that long. As a general rule, facelifts in my practice last 10 to 12 years. Mini facelifts are smaller procedures and they might last a little less long. But as a general, I don't tend to do a lot of mini facelifts. I like facelifts that last a long time. I try to create as much longevity for that individual's facelift as possible. And that helps the quote stretch mark. It really isn't. It's more like a crepiness to the skin. It helps the crepiness. But somebody with super crepey skin, it doesn't make it all go away. If you have questions about your facial skin, your neck skin, the way you're aging, I would love to see you in my office. Schedule a virtual consultation, schedule an in-person consultation, or just give me a call. I'll respond to you. Thanks a lot for watching.